nakakalimutan ko ang salamin ko. Taos-pusong pasasalamat para sa Sentrong Pagkultura ng Pilipinas para sa parangal na ito. 1 hour is not enough to recognize everyone who have worked with me all these years. I promise to write a lengthier letter to thank all of you. But for my 2 minutes of fame tonight, I wish to honor a few who have been intrinsic in my growth and work as a designer. My teachers at the Ateneo de Manila, the late Ricky Abad, Turing Fernandez, and national artist Salvador Bernal. Sir Badong taught me by example. He became my role model and mentor, the person responsible for recognizing my potential as a designer. He also paved the way for many others to follow in his path. Friends who were bound by the same shared experience as Badong's former apprentices. Eric Cruz, I could not think of a better person to pass on the role of Ternocon's artistic director. Rafael Del Casal, you are the last of your kind, and it is my hope that the country would also be able to appreciate all your valuable contributions. The late Toto Sicampo, aside from the ability to embrace the Baroque and Borloloy, you also taught me the art of being mataray. My fairy godmothers, Josie Natori, whose generosity made it possible for me to pursue further studies in New York. The late Hilda Cordero Fernando, who took me into her family of creatives and showed me how to appreciate all things Filipino. Ben Chan, and all the people who make up Ternocon, I cannot thank you enough for the trust and unwavering commitment to promote the Terno and ultimately love for country. The lighting designers who have given life to my sets and costumes, most especially the obsessive Shoko Matsumoto and the erudite Monino Duque. Two constant collaborators who truly understand and respect my design language. My hope is that young, dedicated, and intelligent designers will rise in your stead. My frenemies, the production managers who control the minuscule budgets, especially Laling Samson of Tanghalang Pilipino, and the late Dodo Lim of Ballet Philippines Repertory and Actors. We've always had screening matches, but at the end of the day, we all want the best for our show. The theater directors, especially Alex Cortez, whose opera Spoliarium and play Hakbang sa Hakbang earned me 2 prestigious World Stage Design Awards for simply letting me do what I want to do. Nonon Padilla, who gave me my very first break back in 1996. I really believe that you are still the country's greatest living theater director. And it is my hope that Gen Z will see more of your work. The men who work behind the scenes, Mang Roger of Tanghalang Pilipino, the late Mang Ago of Ballet Philippines, Adul Lasin of Repertory Philippines, Erlene Arcega of the Production Design Center, the legendary Mang Jo Texon, and most especially Junior Galvero, a dedicated draftsman, model maker, scenic painter, and problem solver. The industrious women who built the costumes, the late Tita Mila and Nanay Vicky of Tanghalang Pilipino, Ate Terry of Ballet Philippines, the stragglers from Sir Badong's era, Tita Lina and Manang Lita, and most especially Mariata Arcega, who acquainted me with all the non-glamorous work that goes behind the production of costumes. You taught me the dignity of labor. My Studio One team, from past and present, I thank you for all the talent, dedication, and loyalty that you have given all these years. I would not be standing here today without all your contributions. Para sa ating lahat ang parangal na ito. And to my family, for all the constant support and for keeping me grounded in faith. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat.